Car Story research indicates this vehicle as a good deal and loaded with features. Features also include keyless entry, leather seats, hands-free Bluetooth integration, panorama sunroof, MP3, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick. With these ratings, stop by and take a look at the 2013 Optima. The all-new Kia Optima offers a new level of style and performance features from Kia. The Optima also features engine management systems like direct injection and turbocharging, which enhance performance without sacrificing fuel efficiency. Its smooth flowing lines speak of grace and style and offer a strong hint of European luxury, and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 115,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, power passenger seat, traction control, anti-lock braking system, air conditioning, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, moonroof, home link garage door opener, power steering, cruise control. Come see the car for yourself.